My first celebrity crush.
ऋतिक रोशन।
पोस्टर लगाया था कमरे में.
नहीं नहीं।
My first celebrity friend. First date.
Went all the way traveling in a local train when I was in ninth standard. Lied to my dad saying I'm going for some athletic meet and met somebody on Facebook.
वो पिटा नहीं लड़का.
हाँ पिटा ना. छोड़ूंगी तो नहीं ना.
पीटा ना फिर बढ़िया.
हाँ हाँ.
चप्पल.
मैंने अकेले नहीं.
हाँ.
Took the cops also and पीटा.
दे दो यार कोई भी नाम कुछ.
Maybe देवदास. हाँ with शाहरुख खान.
ये एसआरके वाला प्यार तो नहीं है. कौन कम बर्दाश्त करने को भी था.
नहीं सॉरी मतलब है प्यार.
यार ऋतिक का धूम ही चल रहा है अभी.
Because I was not really even allowed to watch films because I was just very focused as a runner. That's why. खाना पीना सोना दौड़ना बस इतना ही था.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble. Let's begin my first with Aditi. देखते हैं क्या क्या मसाला मिलता है. मैं कुछ तो लेके जाएंगे आज हम इनसे. थोड़ा ऐसा बॉलीवुडिश करते हैं अपने इंटरव्यू को. Okay. My first celebrity crush.
ऋतिक रोशन.
पोस्टर लगाया था कमरे में.
नहीं नहीं इतना नहीं. मैंने आसफा पावल का पोस्टर लगाया. वो थोड़ा उससे उनके ऊपर क्रश है बट या आई मीन दिखने में दोनों बहुत अलग है लिटरली बट या ऋतिक रोशन.
First date.
First date went all the way traveling in a local train when I was in ninth standard. Lied to my dad saying I'm going for some athletic meet and met somebody on Facebook. He's still my friend, but it was too much fun.
एक लोकल ट्रेन का आपका वो वाला इंसिडेंट भी था ना जहाँ पे you spoke about how
Yeah.
the
Local trains are too much fun.
harassment.
If you want life experience, no, किसी को छोड़ दो local train. वापस आया नहीं आया गारंटी नहीं है. But you want experiences, local train.
जिस अदिति को मैं जानती हूँ तो हम ये सवाल जरूर पूछूंगी जितना मैंने समझा है.
Yeah.
वो पिटा नहीं लड़का.
हाँ पिटा ना. छोड़ूंगी तो नहीं ना.
Because I mean,
पम्मी पहलवान.
पम्मी पहलवान से भी ज़्यादा I guess.
नहीं छोड़ा नहीं.
Sorry if anyone is not getting the reference. There was this incident you spoke about in the past about somebody groping you in a local train and for me Bombay local train is यार छोड़ दो मतलब एक अच्छी सैंक्रिट मतलब एक अच्छी जगह है उसको जाने दो. बॉम्बे में कुछ एक दो अच्छी सेफ जगह जो है ना उनको मत.
नहीं बॉम्बे वैसे सेफ तो है पर ये सब चलता है.
मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि छोड़ दो यार मतलब.
या
पीटा ना फिर बढ़िया.
हाँ
चप्पल.
मैंने अकेले नहीं.
हाँ.
Took the cops also and पीटा. Because he was so like shameless in front of the cops that they only got angry. No, he was not accepting. So they only
young kid I guess.
Very young. He must be like 7th standard, 8th standard types. 13, 14.
Children get off your reels and phones. I mean मतलब क्या देख रहे हो तुम लोग?
कुछ नहीं होगा ये सब बोल के.
I sometimes wonder मतलब छोड़ो कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. Not छोड़ो but yes. I hope anyone who's watching this content takes enough responsibility. Just make sure your people around you.
No, that's why I said that face it with courage. Don't fear. डरो मत. सीधे सीधे बात करो. Face it with courage. It will all be. Then that person will only realize.
And these are all the stages of life. I'm not saying कि हम गलत and सही तो हमारा narrative है ही नहीं.
Right,
but how to put it in order is the only thing we can make it safe for anyone.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll move forward. Okay. First Bollywood film you remember watching?
First, I think it was like I don't remember.
दे दो यार कोई भी नाम कुछ.
Maybe देवदास. हाँ, with शाहरुख खान.
ये
I'm not into films now.
Don't tell me ये
My dad was watching, that's why.
ये एसआरके वाला प्यार तो नहीं है. कौन कम बर्दाश्त करने को भी था.
नहीं सॉरी मतलब है प्यार शाहरुख सर से बहुत
प्यार.
प्यार.
यार ऋतिक का धूम चल रहा है. यार ऋतिक का धूम ही चल रहा है अभी भी.
ऋतिक and then yeah. I think Devdas I must have watched with my dad. That's why. But I was not really even allowed to watch films because I was just very focused as a runner. That's what.
Sports person यार.
खाना पीना सोना दौड़ना बस इतना ही था.
Okay. First audition?
First audition. Oh man. I think it was for ICICI Bank. Wow. And I got 6,000 rupees for that.
क्या किया अपनी पहली सैलरी का?
I gave it to my dad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. He said I'll invest it in the market and it never came back to me.
What's the most expensive purchase you have done from the money you have earned?
Most expensive.
Can be any stupid thing also. You don't have to like tell on camera, but anything frivolous. Like I remember Vidya Balan once told me कि मैंने पता नहीं से कुछ 30-40 हज़ार के जूते खरीद लिए आज से 15 साल पहले और अल्टीमेटली फेंके क्योंकि कभी पहने नहीं क्योंकि अनकंफर्टेबल बहुत थे. बट पैसे आए थे, नए नए कमाए थे तो खर्च दिए.
I actually stupid थोड़ा less होता है मुझसे.
Hmm.
I mostly like it sound like that, but it is true that I donate. I usually donate because I like. There is some category of children who I like to be associated with. I do that, and yeah, but I bought a Longines watch. It's very expensive. My
ज़्यादा.
sister again. What is this?
बड़ी है छोटी है?
बड़ी है, बहुत बड़ी है.
बस ठीक है,
I
समझ
bought
रहा
a
हूँ
phone once and I said I need to have this phone. You know? No, you don't need to have this phone. वापस किया phone.
यार बात करनी पड़ेगी.
Yeah, बड़ी दीदी.
Yeah, okay. My first celebrity friend.
I think Junita.
Oh.
Then she became a celebrity. That time she was not. But Junita is like we are very like somewhere very mysteriously close.
That's good. My first celebrity event.
My first celebrity event was I think in college, and that time I think Shilpa Shetty had come. ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. तभी मैंने देखा और मैंने बोला इतनी भीड़ क्यों है? मेरे को लगा कुछ स्पोर्ट्स मीट हो रहा है, कुछ तो ऐसा हो रहा है. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So that was very fascinating for me.
My first awkward moment on any film set. So in your case, it was either Lai Bhari, She or Ashram. So any awkward moment which you recall?
On the set of Lai Bhari it was because that particular day Ritesh sir had to leave because he had some other shoot or something like that, and they took his bits and they told me, and it was my first film, right? I have no idea. Now this person is standing here. I don't know why he's standing here. I feel that he's going to do something prompt me or something like that. So there was one man standing at the thermocol, and I said that. He said, "Okay, action." I said, "But where is he?" I thought I have to look in his eyes and talk, right? And he had gone, so I had to speak to the thermocol. And I was like, "How do I talk to a thermocol?" So that take didn't happen only. It went on and on. I was like, no, 1 minute. Then I'm thinking, then I'm looking anywhere where I see eyes. And I was like talking to that person. Then finally they placed it in such a way, and Nishikant Kawat stood there and said, "Meri mom मेरे को बोल चल, लाई ने मुझे बोल."
But that's
Very
not your
awkward.
fault either.
Yeah, I didn't know about it. Very awkward, but it was. Now I laugh, you know. That's why I never bully anybody who's new on set. I tell them it's okay.
That you have to be kind because
Yeah.
पता ही नहीं किसी को.
बहुत funny होता है नहीं तो समझ में नहीं आता है.
And lastly,
Yeah.
my first such moment, and it could be any moment, which will stay with you forever.
I think my one such moment was when I got to know that I am cast for She. I was doing a music video in Nasik with a sari which was almost 20 feet long, and I was running. And I fell and I stood and I went. Somebody told me you got a call. And I said, wait, my spot boy. I said, अरे रुक जा यार. And then he said, अरे इम्तियाज सर के ऑफिस से फोन आ रहा है. संतोषरी थी तब. उनका फोन आ रहा है. I was like, what? And I had a feeling कि this is done. You know, my dream of working with Imtiaz sir is fulfilled. That was one moment which I still cherish because you know that feeling, like I spoke about this first somewhere, that first rain, first mother's touch, first kiss, first love. This feeling, nothing can replicate. So I think that was my moment to cherish.
Wishing you great success.
Thank
and
you.
I hope the next 3 companions, the next 3 paths,
We'll
you'll
meet again.
to us soon.
Yeah.
We'll meet again.
Yeah.
We'll do another dissection of one of those paths then.
Done. I'll learn all my whatever, what is that, fun section, I'll learn and come.
I'll give her the पहले से ही previously में, so she can give me more saucy, gossipy,
yeah.
juicy answers. No?
Right.
You give me all that, no?
Done.
Then we'll do very this
Done.
thirst traps and all this kind of things.
Absolutely.
We'll do that.
Done,
ठीक है?
yes.
Done. रितिका लेकर आऊंगी मैं.
Ah.
Q&A. जाओ. मैं अभी से बता रही हूँ officially as we close this. Next fun segment will be a Q&A based on Ritik Roshan for Aditi.
Okay.
All things she knows about HR.
Super. Oh, okay. Super.
Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Aditi Pohankar and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.